Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is something fun and new. This is called Phomemo, and it is a little tiny thermal printer. They reached out to me and I was like super excited, like heck yeah, I'll try it. So it's a tiny little printer and I picked out pink. This is it right here. I just took it out of the box, still has the plastic on it. They do come in like white, black, piano print, all sorts of little different prints. So I picked pink, of course, you know, because why not? So when I opened it, there was instructions, and of course something like this, totally new to me. Oh, you guys, this is my type of instruction manual. Look at step 1, fully charge the battery. It comes with this little cord, USB cord. So you plug this into the machine right here, like so. And then you plug this in to like a little, my lamp has a hookup for it, or your computer, or anything that will charge this, or the little square, you know, for iPhones. This is for iPhones or Android devices. It's compatible with both. Step 2, download the app onto your phone. You just type in Phomemo and it pops up right away. It's a little like mushroom. It's this little mushroom symbol right there. Step 3, turn on the Bluetooth, which is in the app. So the app has the Bluetooth on, and I'll insert exactly where it's at right here in a little clip. So once you connect to Bluetooth, you are ready to go, you guys. Okay, and then, so that was the instructions. This is just telling you what it means, the lights, what the lights mean. And then right here is to open up your machine. Literally, there's one button. You can't like mess it up. Everybody knows the universal sign for on and off. This little button right here, look, it pops it open like so. And it just snaps closed, pop it open. Seriously, the easiest little thing. And look at, do you see right here? It's just like tin foil, like it rips the paper. So the actual little box does have a little paper roll in there already. But here's the printer paper. This comes with 3. My box came with it. And you guys, it's sticker paper. It prints whatever you're printing out is on sticker paper already. You just peel it off and stick it onto whatever you're creating or crafting with. So you guys are just seeing this printer paper as I'm seeing it, you know? So I'm just going to undo the paper right now with this little tape that's kind of holding it down. So just took that off. And you kind of just see how there's like openings on the plastic right here, and it kind of just feeds this out, like, you know. So you just pop it right back in. Make sure that the part with the wording and stuff on it is on its back side, so like so. Make sure you have a little bit on the lip so you can kind of hold it there, and then shut it closed. Ta-da! This button was red. It is now green, meaning I loaded the sticker roll properly. If you read the first page, it'll say like fault out of paper, overheating. This is a little thermal heater. Let me take the plastic off, you guys. Woo! Love new stuff. How cute is this thing? It's 3.5 by 3 1/4 inch and about 1.5 inches tall. So now I'm gonna flip the screen to what my iPhone looks like when you're in the app and you're playing with it. You can scan photos, you can print images like from your camera roll, you can do horizontal printing, you could do to-do lists, all sorts of stuff. This is strictly a mini black and white printer, you guys. It does not print color. Photos, obviously it's not a photo printer, but you still get the gist of the photo, and I think that's perfect for December dailies, October dailies. You want to do a Thanksgiving daily for the week, I don't even know. Whatever your heart desires. Okay, so here we are in the app. This is like the home page, and I clicked on the right left-hand corner saying templates. So here I am, they're just loading up. These are kind of like little to-do lists. As you could tell on the tab on the top, it says to-do list. Then here's some fun ones, just little different preloaded ones, kind of like to-do. They had Halloween in there. And then there's a frame option. So you can make your own list, and then it has these frames. Then it had some schedule one. So I picked this little Halloween one, and I'm just going to type in what I did this day, because I have a little advent calendar style thing for Halloween, and I'm going to put this on the back of it noting what we did that day. Like I mentioned, I think these are perfect for December dailies, October dailies, any other type of monthly daily thing, birthday week. You just can print it real quick. Okay, so I'm done, and up at the upper right hand corner there's a little print option. It says thickness. I don't know if that's the font and stuff. I'm not sure, but it says fine, medium, thick. I'm just going to leave it at medium and hit print, and there you go. It printed super fast. Okay, so I couldn't film both at the same time, but it literally just printed it out like super fast, and then you just rip it on the edge like so. Those little frames are 2.5 inches. These are perfect for pocket letters, and 2 inches. So October 27th, I just used that little Halloween frame that they had. We went to Northwoods Inn with our family, and I'm just gonna peel this off, super easy. See, it's like a big sticker. You guys saw me make this like advent calendar. So I'm gonna go to the 27th. So I'm just gonna stick this straight on. How cute. So now I have like a little memory documented on there. How fun is that? Go back into the app. Okay, so I'm back in the app. Down at the bottom, you'll notice that there's graphics. So I think maybe because it's October, there's a bunch of little Halloween ones in here. You know, some of them have color. Please note, it does not print in color. But I'm going to pick this little kid one, these little trick-or-treaters right here. It's like a little silhouette of them. So this is what pops up. It's got like a little red square around it, which you can like size, make it smaller, bigger. So I'm moving it to the top of the page, I guess, like probably where it would print out on your sheet of paper. So I scrolled it up, hit print, doing it thickness, and it's done, and it printed super fast. Okay, so I just printed that, you guys. And you notice the paper is a lot shorter compared to the last printout, as you can see right here. So I think when you adjust the sizing or move it up and around, it will resize the piece of paper that you're using. Here it is. It's a solid little black and white photo. I'm going to cut this. I'm just going to peel it off. Got my little sticker. And on the 28th, we didn't do anything Halloween related. Boring school stuff. Is there a homework symbol? And look how cute. There's my little sticker right there. Okay, so back in the app, I'm going to print an image from my camera roll. So I print image. As you can see, it's stuffed directly from my camera roll, all of my photos. But I do have several little sentiments that I saved from Pinterest. So I'm going to click on one of those, and I want to do what it would look like color to black and white. So as you can see, if you press the middle below button, you can adjust the brightness and the contrast. So I'm just kind of like moving it around. And then I'm going to print it with those exact settings. And I can see while I'm printing it right now that it lost some of the detail of the leaves. So I'm going to go back and play with the contrast and the brightness. So hopefully a little bit more of the leaf shows up. So you could definitely either play around with this a lot to get the perfect setting or just leave it as is. So I'm going to print this one as well. Okay, so I printed 2 back to back because you guys saw me messing with the brightness and stuff on these guys. Okay, so it does make a difference when you because like I said, it doesn't print color. So when I adjusted the brightness too much, stuff started fading away. This one, it got a little bit darker, so you could definitely play around. Luckily, there's tons of paper and roll to mess with it at first, but it just printed an image. I got this off of Pinterest. Craftiness is happiness. And you can put this on like envelopes, like you can seal the back of an envelope. You can put your little emblem on here if you're getting married, your signature seal. Like I said, you and your husband could sign something and then you can scan it in and it would have your guys' signature, and you can just turn it into a sticker and put it on there, or thank you things, you know, invitations, all sorts of stuff. So the possibilities are endless with this, you guys. Let's print a physical photo of a person. Okay, so you're going to go to the print images and your camera roll will pop up. So I'm just scrolling down a Halloween party we went to with my kids, and I'm going to pick a photo.
one that's, you're supposed to pick well lit photos, but I don't know how well lit this is, so we'll see. Then you're gonna see how you can adjust the brightness and the contrast, but I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I don't want to mess with it like the last one. And then you can also rotate it left, right, upside down, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna print, leave it regular thickness.
Okay, so I printed it real quick. You can see that it's the picture I have. Let me tear it off. It's very like those dot pixelated. I mean, this isn't a portrait printer, you guys. This is called Phomemo, like memos, you know, versus actual photos. But I think this is perfect for bullet journaling, bujo journals. Put on your little like planner and stuff. Look if it's right, like cute into something. Look how cute. And it's like almost like a glossy finish, the paper is, you guys. As you can see how it's like super dotted, but you can see what the picture is, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I think this printer is so fun. I'm glad that they sent one to me. So thank you, Phomemo, for sending me one. So being said, this was sent to me, you know, for free. The question is, would I recommend it? Yes, totally. Will I purchase things on my own? Yes, like the accessories, like there's different paper, like rolls of paper. There's like pink, yellow, blue. There's like a gold one I want to snag up. And then also with the different kits, like bundles, it says, like on their actual website, Phomemo, they have like a pink bundle, but pay attention to the 3 rolls that it comes with. These ones are white self-adhesive thermal paper. It also comes in like translucent color. It comes in non-sticky version if you don't want to make stickers with your little printer. So just pay attention to what you're ordering if you do order it. Can't wait to order some of the different colored rolls. And yeah, I will link down their website down below. They also have it available on Amazon Prime. And catch you on the next video. Bye guys.